the Kings launch it out of the zone. It's Victor Arvidsson one-on-one with Jack Johnson. Arvidsson, a spinorama. The backhander stopped by Georgiev. Trevor Moore along the half wall. And this line does need to get going. Centering pass Denis is denied by Georgiev, but Denis, no points his last 6. Trevor Moore struggled at times. They're buzzing early. Arvidsson to the point. Doughty. Down low for Kopitar. Touch pass to Kempe. Back to Doughty. A one-timer. Tip right on. Save. Rebound. Swept wide. Iafallo had the tip. Kopitar had a chance at the rebound. Kopitar from the hashes. Feeds Doughty. Rotated to Arvidsson. Back across. Kopitar leaves it for Iafallo. Goal line. Put on the goal. Save Georgiev, and he covers the rebound.
There are many times they skate by themselves before the regular practice starts. And at this time of the season, it's like playoffs right now. We're not going to hear a lot of specifics about the injury.
Scooped up by Nichushkin. Nichushkin feeds it to the line. McDermott on for Comfer, and he'll wire a wrist shot. High and wide, and it bounces in! And after all that momentum built up by the Kings in the first, Colorado takes advantage.
If you're a Kings fan and you believe in hockey gods, stop believing right now. Because everything that went so well, I'd rather see the Avalanche score on a beautiful goal where they enter the zone with speed and they have off the back, off the top of the net, off the back of the goaltender, over the line. And that's all I'm going to say about that one. So the Kings, in one of those positions,
have done with 18 shots on goal in the first period, allowed no goals. They're 13-6-2 on the year. Centering pass, Georgiev smothers a shot in tight here.
And
nobody's going to have a pity party for you. Jordan Spence over the red line. Grundstrom in down the right wing. Chopped away by Taves. Bouncing puck settled by Newhook as Walker blows a tire. And it's 2-0 Colorado. Everything that can go wrong in this period has.
This is just so Walker, he just blows a tire. Now give Newhook credit on the move. The speed, lateral, stick handle, back against the flow right away. Goaltender has to open up.
Malgin for Comfer, centering pass. Johnson, save Copley. Jack Johnson walking down the slot unabated. Byfield got a piece of that shot from Taves. And now the Kings can dump it ahead. Kempe unable to get it further than the Colorado line. Give it back to LA. Kempe barging into the zone. Kempe scores! That's a bounce! And this time it goes the Kings' way. 2-1.
How quick was that recovery? Believe it was Kopitar. Gets it to Kempe. And then transition. Such a quick backhand. Looks like it's not dangerous. Forehand, and quickly. The important thing here, quick hands, maybe off the stick of the defender.
Arvidsson shields in the corner. Leaves it there for Denis. Spence fakes, shoots, tip, save. Georgiev. Great look for Arvidsson on the redirect. Kempe trades places with Kopitar. Iafallo for Kempe. Across the seam, Arvidsson. Touch pass to Kopitar, faking the shot. Comfer trying to block the lane. Across for Arvidsson. Tip, score! Kempe with his second. They're going to give it to Arvidsson.
And then move it around. Take advantage of Comfer. Right at the top there. Across the seam once, off the skate of the defender. Taves gets the skate on it. Kempe's in behind. Iafallo's in behind. Doughty's there. I think the Kings have been simple in how they've gotten the puck from the defense to the forwards, but that simple has created real good pace for the Kings.
Underway in the third. Colorado wins the face-off. Score! Brad Hunt with a blast.
And the face-off is created, Alex, because of that miscommunication previous. Hunt, I talked about him earlier, 17, ready? He's known for this. He's known for his shot.
Nichushkin deeks to the outside on Walker. Backhander, save Copley. Loose puck, picked up by Malgin. Denis Malgin leaves it for JT Compher. His pass deflected by Walker. Loose puck, Nichushkin. They score! Denis Malgin on the doorstep. And it's 4-2 Colorado.
The Avalanche have had some bounces tonight, but this one here, a couple of bounces there. You see Denis trying to protect, and then he's stripped from it, and they're just holding on. You can see Spence in a situation where he's trying to get the stick. Just trying to get the stick. Again, what you're trying to do here is prevent this cross pass. And certainly Spence knows that he had stick on stick.
This period, Jim, it feels like the process is not there. McKinnon fans on the shot. Colorado's had the territory. As Kempe scores! Adrian Kempe buries another. And the Kings are back within one.
I think that's what allowed the entry. Avalanche have it, now they don't. Look at the Kings. Right down the middle is Gavrikov. Right here. He backs off a couple of D-men. And you know what? Kempe slightly comes across. And he ends up using a defenseman and Gavrikov as a screen. And you see the modern technology.
Now it's Rantanen. 52 goals to lead the Avs. Top 5 in the NHL. Rantanen moves in, shoots, pinball save! Copley! And he covers. Roy steers it to Kopitar. Touch pass, Kempe! Barely missed. Blocker side. Arvidsson into the middle. Kempe to the nod off the mask of Georgiev, and play is stopped. And it's punched free by Nichushkin. 32 seconds. Kopitar in the regroup and the re-entry. Arvidsson, left wing, moves in, centers the no, save, rebound, Kopitar goes after it, side of the net, loose puck back behind. Georgiev without his stick. 3.4 on the clock. Off the draw, Kings get to it, Kaliev shot is blocked, and that does it. Colorado wins it 4-3.